Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since we did like a formal actual introduction because I've been super busy with school, finishing up my last semester, so we got some free time finally, and today, depending on what we get into, might be a really cool video. While we're at it, hey, subscribe if you're new, like the video, it helps out the algorithm. We have been absolutely crushing it. March was the best month we've had on the channel, so thank you guys so much for all the support. We are almost already at 4,000 subscribers, which is pretty nuts considering I hit 1,000 like a year ago, almost to the day, which is kind of crazy. So that's the intro for this one. Let's get into it. And the car wash is absolutely packed today. It is a beautiful Saturday. Everybody's getting their whips shiny, ready for a little Easter Sunday. Self-wash bays don't have dryers, so we're gonna do our best with yeah, that's working just fine. Grrr. What do you think, guys? V8 R8 or the S5? Obviously that's got like a supercar factor going, but I think I could beat it in a race, let's be honest. First gen V8 R8. Yeah. Little bit of wind noise, hope it's not picking up. Oh my gosh. I have never seen a Vorsteiner kit in person. That looks good. Chassis mount wing on the Sheepy Race twin turbo Huracan. 305s on the rear. And of course that exhaust that we've all seen over the years. Still hot. Shall we cruise? Ugh. Ladies and gentlemen, we found the DDE Tireslayer. What a fun day this is. We ended up going to a little lookout and meeting up with this guy who actually, crazy story. His friend is 458 Destroyer on Instagram. If you want to go check out his channel, this is actually his car. But hearing this thing in person and seeing it in person is so cool. All the different noises this thing makes is absolutely a fun time. Makes for a good cruise, especially being right behind it. I go home, and this is what we see. Ladies and gentlemen, we're having a fun time. If you guys didn't know, it was just my birthday too, so I'm going to consider this a little belated birthday present, and a very fun one at that. Ganging up, getting a little cruise going. We got a couple more cars behind us as well. We're literally going 40 right now, but it sounds like it's going 80 or 90. Forgot how loud these cars are, man. And the twin turbo spooling up is one of the most satisfying noises I could ever have imagined. Just a quiet little cruise through town, ladies and gentlemen.
Dude, my left eardrum hurts.
Hopefully the RS3 joins us. Able to keep up so far. Looks like we got a supercharged A6, an A4 or something behind us. Just out for a little Saturday cruise, you know. Beautiful day, figured why not. We got all the boys together. Perfect. Man, I've heard a lot of nice sounding cars in my day, but I think this might be the #1 best sounding. Twin turbo V10? Listen to those turbos spooling, that's insane. Let's get it going. Guys, I told you in the beginning of the video we had something fun planned. Hope this lives up to the expectations because, man, I'm having a ton of fun right now. I cannot believe I'm seeing this car in person, let alone doing a little Saturday cruise. We're gonna go get a fuel stop going and hit the bathroom in the gas station because we've just been cruising, man. Living life, having fun, and these roads are a little crazy. But what a beautiful view, beautiful time. It's fun, man. On the way to the gas station because turns out these cars aren't amazing as far as fuel efficiency, so of course, gotta gas them up. Little gas brake, baby! And let's rip. ladies and gents. Again, don't mind the wind noise, but we're at stop number 2 at this beautiful marina. Got the RS3, the Huracan, the C63, an A6. Was it a C300? I don't speak Chrysler. Go follow Carson on Instagram, Black C63, for being today's driver. I'm just here to film, man. If you're feeling generous, go follow 458 Destroyer as well. Of course, that is his car, and he also just picked up a LaFerrari, so pretty cool collection over at his page. Go check it out. We just cruised with the DDE Tireslayer. That was so much fun. Like, honestly, one of the coolest driving experiences I think I've had. Subscribe if you're new, like the video. Until next time, adios.